Okay guys, we will do some live trading today. As always, we will look through my daily watch list. We have the major currency pairs, some major indices, and we have commodities here. So we look at Euro US dollar on the daily chart, and we see a pretty nice downtrend since at least February 22. I would say the downtrend lasts since June 21, but we have a little trend break here. So I will not count this part. We will look at this part. We see that this downtrend is pretty clear. It corrected back to this 55-day moving average and then continued the trend movement. We are at a critical level right now because I think the trend could continue downwards. Two reasons for this. First of all, the trend corrected right back to this support level here, and this support level also matches with the 55-day moving average. So I would consider a short trade here, but only if there is a clear signal. I would either wait for this trading day to close, that we see this candle fully closed, or I would wait for tomorrow. Maybe we will get a nice bearish signal, something like that. Here you have a bearish candle in an area of value, or we look at this point, we see a clear bearish candle also in an area of value, right below this moving average, right below this previous area of support here. So I think it could be a nice short trade. We look at the chart on the hour, and yeah, I wouldn't want to do a trade right now, at least not at the hour. I would wait for this candle to close in 6 minutes, and then I would wait for the next candle to start. Maybe we can look at this chart in a few minutes, and I hope that we will find a nice trade. At the moment, I think it looks more bullish, because we have a small uptrend here. We have some kind of a bullish candle here. So I think the price could go up again, maybe even break this level of resistance here. And yeah, I would wait for this candle to close. Maybe we could try a trade for the sake of entertainment. 5 minutes. Yeah, we definitely could try a trade. I'm not logged into my broker. I will do this pretty fast. And now we are logged in. We can make a trade on the 5 minutes chart. We put our stop loss right below this level here, or if we are aggressive traders, we could put our stop loss right here. I think I will do this 0.328. Remember guys, this is a live trading video, so first of all I will trade very small positions. You see my total loss, if we get stopped out here, my total loss would be €2.60. The reason for this small positions is that in live trading I simply don't have the time to analyze the underlying pretty well. So I will jump right into trades, and that we have something to discuss, some entertainment, and that you as a, maybe if you're a beginner trader, that we can talk about the mistakes I make in these trades. I think this could be a mistake because a few reasons. First of all, as I said, we are in a clear downtrend on the bigger picture, and I normally don't trade against the trend. I always want to trade in trend direction. So it would be nice if we would find a nice short trade on the smaller time frames on this chart, because the trend is strong, and the trend is your friend, as we say in trading. The second thing is that we have we have a little uptrend here, but this trend was broken here because the price closed below this last low here. So we have a trend break, and we are at a strong area of resistance here. So typically an area of resistance will let the price bounce back in the opposite direction. The nice thing here, I think, is that the movement isn't pretty fast, but it builds up. You know, it builds up, supported by moving averages. It builds up to this area of resistance, and this can indicate a breakout. Maybe if we are a little lucky, we will have a breakout from this level here, and the price will go up further. Talking of luck, never let luck decide your trades. Always trade with a clear system, and never hope for luck in trading. So we will let this trade work out. Either we get stopped out here with a small loss, or we will make a profit. I think we should go aim at least for this target here. We could look at a long position widget, or I don't know how it's called, but we can set our entry level here, our stop loss level, and then our target. And we see we have a nice risk reward ratio of 1.6. I typically never do trades which have a risk reward ratio of under 1.3, at least 1.4. I really like 2.0s because that's the only way to make money in the long term. Trading is a numbers game, it's a statistical thing, and if you consistently achieve a risk reward ratio of greater than 1, you can lose 50% of your trades and still make money at the end of the year. So this is Euro US dollar. We will let this trade a little time to breathe. USD JPY. On the daily chart, we see a pretty strong uptrend since March 22. This trend was broken here because the price closed below this low and below all these lows. And we have a bearish movement here. I think prices could go down further. But I wouldn't want to make a short trade here, because again we stand against the bigger trend, and we have some kind of a bullish signal here, because what we see here is that the price on today's trading day, that the price opened here, went up here, then went all the way down here, and then buyers came in and pushed the price back up here. We will look at the lower time frame. I don't really see much potential for a trade right now. Maybe on a smaller time frame we could wait until the price breaks this level of resistance here. Maybe this little build up indicates a new little trend. Then we could speculate on a breakout here and make some profits. I would wait for the price to break this level, corrects back to this level, and then goes up again. Then I would set my stop loss here, but at the moment it looks like the price will go down. Maybe we could do a short trade here. You know, we will try this. We put our stop loss at 132.75, and we sell this thing. Maybe we can realize some profits. I think we should aim at least for this level here to have a nice risk reward ratio. Short position, this is our entry point, this is our stop loss, and yeah, this is our target, I think, because this is the last breakout level. The price broke this level here, and I think this is a strong area of support. So the price, if the price goes down, it will bounce back from here and will go up again. I don't like this trade pretty much because of this strong bullish movement here. Like I said before, a build up to an area of resistance is can be a sign of a breakthrough, or at least a breakthrough attempt. And a breakout attempt typically means the price goes up pretty fast but goes down again pretty fast also. So we will leave it as it is here. We will go back on the day and we will look at our watch list again. Pound, US dollar, same thing as with Euro US dollar. We have a pretty strong downtrend. Maybe this could form some kind of a double top. Typically I don't really care about chart patterns on their own, but on the right level they could be interesting. So maybe we could make a short trade here. I look at the lower time frame. Yeah, no, I don't want to make a short trade here. I would wait for this price to go down here, maybe consolidate a little bit, and if the price breaks this level here, we could try to make a down trade, a short trade, but yeah, not at this moment. I don't like this constellation here. I can't really explain, but this constellation, I don't really like it. It could indicate a bullish movement, but I would wait. At this point, USDCHF, yeah, I talked about this in the last video. I think I made a video yesterday about this chart here. I really liked what I saw, and I still like what I'm seeing. You know, let me explain. This is some kind of a range, and we have a breakout here. The price broke this support level here, then buyers came in and wanted to push the price up, but sellers were stronger and broke this level again. Then they broke this level, so I would wait here for the price to correct back at least to this level here, and if we have a bearish movement from there, I would realize a short trade. Not at this moment, maybe on a lower time frame. I would wait for something nice to happen here. I mean, we have a downtrend here. We could draw a trend line. Yeah, maybe this price will go down, but I would wait for a clear bearish movement here. Something to say about time frames. As you noticed, I always look at the chart on a daily basis first, and when I like what I'm seeing on the daily basis, I will go down the time frames one by one, and if they all match up, then I consider making a trade. We see they don't work out very well. I think we get stopped out here. Yeah, we will definitely get stopped out here. Yeah, now maybe we have, let me see. Yeah, I think we will get stopped out here because the price moves in our opposite direction right now. It's trying to break this price level here. Yeah, we got stopped. We got stopped out on our other trade, USD JPY. Okay, as I said, we have a pretty strong bullish movement here, and I was hoping that this area of resistance here will hold, but as we see, the price broke out, and now I think prices will go up even further. We could try to trade this breakout. I would wait for the price to correct back to this level here. Let me draw a line here, horizontal line. Yeah, I think we could try to trade this breakout. I will make this ready. Yeah, we will trade this breakout here. Maybe we put our stop loss here, 132,624, 624. And I think if this breakout really is strong, then the prices will move up pretty fast, and it will not go back to this level here. As I said, normally in trading, if you trade with high positions, if you risk $100 or $200 per trade, you would wait for the price to correct back and then jump in. But as I said, in live trading, it simply wouldn't be that entertaining, and when I make trading mistakes, especially mistakes most beginner traders do on a regular basis, I think I can explain trading a little better. Yeah, we got stopped out at Euro US dollar. As we see, the price moved down under this level. Maybe if the price corrects back up somewhere here, we could try to do another short trade and put our stop loss here. But at this point I would wait a little bit. Yeah, here you see the result of impatience, because I saw this price rise up pretty fast and I thought this has to continue, and now prices are heading down. It very well could be that we have a little correction here and then a strong movement back up. It also could be that the price goes down pretty fast again. You never know what happens in trading, and that's why we always use a stop loss. We always use a stop loss. Never trade without a stop loss. I traded without stop losses for a very long time in my beginning days, and I always lost a lot of money, unnecessary, okay, or unnecessary, how you call it in English. US 30 index on the day, yeah, we have a pretty nice downtrend, but I think this trend was broken here, so maybe prices could go up more. If we consider the economic circumstances right now, I don't know if I would want to trade long on an index, but we will look at other indexes right now. Yeah, they are pretty much similar. Yeah, this could be very nice. UK 100. As we see, we have a pretty strong bearish movement here. We have a so-called shooting star pattern, and we have this pattern in in a range, or in an area of value, I think. I don't know if I would make a short trade right now, because as we see here, we are in an uptrend. So yeah, I think I would wait. But we see here that the price broke this last low here. It broke all the moving averages, and it's now under the moving averages. Maybe if the price breaks this area here, what it actually did, as I see here, it corrected back, and now I think the prices could go down even further. Yeah, maybe we can make a short trade here a little later. Let's look back at our trade here. Yeah, it's a really slow movement right now, but the bullish forces are still there, so I can imagine that the price will go up again from here. We will look at it in a few moments. UK 100. Yeah, if you are an aggressive trader, I think you could try to do a short trade here. You could put your stop loss here and hope that prices will go down. On a daily basis, this could be profitable, but we are doing day trading here, so I will not trade on a daily basis. Yeah, at this point I would wait for the price to either break this level here and go further down, or the price corrects back here, and then I would start a short trade with my stop loss set here. What we can do, I show you, we could do a stop trade, and we can tell our broker that if the price comes down maybe here, 74597, 59.7, he should put our stop loss maybe here, 7470.8, 71.5. We do 71.5. Yeah, okay, we did a stop trade here, so which means that if the price breaks this level here, our broker will automatically open a position and set our stop loss here. That's pretty nice. Yeah, I think we could try a long trade here. yeah, we will try it. As always, for the sake of entertainment, never repeat what I'm doing, because I lose money pretty often in this live tradings. 6524 and 0.2 units we trade. Yeah, all our trades are in the red. As we see, our USD JPY trade doesn't work out that fine. We still don't have a nice bullish movement we wanted to have. So the only thing we can do is wait here. Let's look back to the daily chart and go down here. We were at France 40, we did a trade, Germany. Yeah, I don't like this constellation. Again, this could maybe be a short trade here, but I would wait for the next candle to form. Nifty 50. Yeah, I don't see a trading opportunity here. Hong Kong, not really a trading opportunity. Japan, yeah, I mean, Japan looks really nice. I think we have a nice range here, resistance, support, and it could very well be that the prices go down again. But one thing I don't like here is, as we see here, the prices went up pretty fast and then went down pretty fast. Here's a similar thing, went up, went down. But at this point we have a pretty long build-up, a build-up that's supported by a moving average. So as I said before, this is a sign for a breakout. Maybe prices break out at this level, because what we see here is that buyers and sellers are equally strong. Maybe the buyers are a little stronger because this build up heads upwards. But yeah, at this point I would want to wait for a breakout. I think US Russell 2000, yeah, same thing as with most of the other indexes. They pretty much all look the same. China 50. Yeah, maybe this could be a long trade, because we are here in an area of resistance or support in this case, and have a pretty strong bullish movement here. But like with much other charts we looked at today, I would want to wait for a better signal. Switzerland, yeah, I don't really like it. EU 50, I think this could be a nice trade on a daily basis. Maybe we can look at the hour. Yeah, I think I like it. I think I would try a trade here, and if you're a conservative trader, you would put your stop loss here and your target would be somewhere here, but I would put my stop loss here, 37675. Then we will get the results much faster. 3767 67. Yeah, now we can put it here, 3780 80, and we trade 0.05 units. Let's do this. Okay, our stop loss is here and our target would be somewhere here. Let's look at the risk-reward ratio. Our entry point is here, our stop loss is here, and our target is here, somewhere here. So we have a risk-reward ratio of 1.5, which is okay. We look at gold. Yeah, we see a pretty nice bearish movement. Let's look at the daily chart. Yeah, I think we could try a short trade here, but I would want to wait for the next candle. Maybe we can look at the hour. So we looked at it right now. I would wait for the price to break this level, corrects back, and then we can make a short trade, or we wait for the price to go back up here and then make a short trade, putting our stop loss somewhere here. Silver, same thing, but it broke this level here, so I think we should look at it on a smaller time frame. Yeah, I would wait for some correction and then we could make a trade. Crude oil, yeah, crude oil could be promising for a short trade. The only problem I have here is that we stand against a bigger uptrend, at least on the hour, on the day. Yeah, on the day we have a downtrend, and we are in an area of value here, as we see. Yeah, so maybe we could try a short trade, but I would want to make a stop trade here. I would say if the price goes to 92.5, set our stop loss here, 93.18, and we will trade 0.5 units. Where's my, no, sorry, this was not what I intended to do. Stop 92.55, and our stop loss will be at 93.2 maybe, and we will trade I think we could trade 2 units. Yeah, that's what I wanted to see. So same thing as last time, if our price breaks this level, it will start a trading order, and our target would be somewhere here. Let's look at our trades. France 40 goes in our direction, pretty nice, and USD JPY, yeah, not that nice, but I think this could be the end of the correction. Prices could go down from here. I would put our stop loss here now, 132.725, 132.725, 132.725. The reason for this is that I want to simulate real trading here. Yeah, I trade with very small positions, but if you think about it, in real life, you would trade with much higher positions and you would risk much more money per trade. So it's always important to keep your risk as small as possible. As I see that the price doesn't really do what I wanted it to do. I expected it to correct a little bit and then shoot up pretty quick, and it didn't do that, but instead it formed a new low here. And I think if this low here is broken downwards, then our trade is no longer relevant, because then prices could go down pretty fast again. So I think this is our new low, and if the price goes up from here, we have a new trend established. That would be great. But I think if the price breaks this level, it will go back down here. Maybe it will go back further. So I want to reduce my risk, always reduce my risk. And if the price goes down here and we see a pretty nice bullish movement from here, we could make a new trade. But at this point, I think this is a good stop loss level. Our crude oil trade was executed because the price fell down at our stop level here. Yeah, I think this is pretty nice. I would wait for what happens next. For some reason my trading view, okay, it works again. It was some kind of a glitch or something. Yeah, I will pause the video now, and we will see again if these trades had a little time to breathe.